Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Honda Accord front light bulb. First, gather your tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and your new bulb. Always ensure your car's engine is completely off and cool to the touch. For an extra layer of safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery before you begin. This prevents any accidental electrical shorts. Now, open your car's hood and find the back of the headlight assembly. You might need to remove some plastic covers or clips that are blocking your access. These usually come off easily with a flathead screwdriver or by hand. Once clear, locate the electrical connector attached to the old bulb and carefully disconnect it by pressing the tab and pulling. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more car maintenance tips. Quick recommendation: on another note, for all your reading needs, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, even in bright sunlight. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. With the connector off, you'll need to twist the bulb's base counterclockwise, usually about 1/4 of a turn, to unlock it from the housing. Gently pull the old bulb straight out. Remember, when handling the new bulb, never touch the glass with your bare hands. Oils from your skin can create hot spots and significantly shorten the bulb's lifespan. Now, take your new bulb and carefully insert it into the headlight housing, making sure to align the tabs on the bulb's base with the slots in the housing. Once seated, twist the bulb clockwise until it locks securely into position. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb. You should hear a satisfying click, indicating it's properly attached.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.